I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Create a system restore point and back up any unsaved work so you can undo changes if needed. Next, download the right driver package from your GPU maker and copy it to a USB stick so you have it ready. Once that is done, reboot into safe mode, use settings or hold shift while choosing restart, and make sure networking or disk access is available. This isolates the system while you remove old driver files. You will run display driver uninstaller in safe mode. Pick the vendor that matches your GPU to remove vendor-specific components. Once the loads, choose either clean and restart if you plan to reinstall immediately or clean and shut down if swapping cards. The deletes driver files, removes driver store entries, and clears registry traces. This prevents leftover conflicts. After the process finishes, make sure to reboot into normal mode so Windows can settle before you install a fresh driver package. You now install the fresh OEM driver. Run the installer as administrator and follow express or custom install options. Prefer a clean install if offered. Once installed, restart normally, then verify in Device Manager that the GPU shows correctly and run a display test at native resolution. If something goes wrong, boot safe mode, try reinstalling, use System Restore, or run Driver Verifier carefully to catch faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.